Kingfishers are among the most skilled hunters in the natural world. They hunt by diving straight into water after spotting fish from above. Their eyes can adjust to see clearly through water glare, allowing them to judge distance with incredible accuracy. When they strike, kingfishers hit the water at high speed and fold their wings to reduce splash and drag. Their sharp beak works like a spear, helping them catch slippery prey in seconds. Before eating, they often beat the fish against a branch to stun it. Kingfishers also nest in tunnels dug into riverbanks, keeping their eggs safe from predators. Their bright blue and orange feathers play an important role in attracting mates, making them one of nature's most striking birds.